Hey guys, it's Kimberly, and welcome back to season 2 of the Pharmacy Student Diaries. So, today I'm just gonna have like a weekend in my life to start off the new vlogging season because my semester started like 2 weeks ago now. And I just abruptly started the vlog without actually like warming you guys up to the idea of watching the vlog, so I'm here now to like tell you guys that this is a vlog and it starts abruptly at my school's Lunar New Year celebration. But I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video. So, bye! It's still cold, damn. Oh my. Hey guys, so as you saw at the beginning of the video, it's snowing and it's still snowing. So today is a trapped inside my dorm video, and it works out because I have like five classes I need to get work done for. So you'll just see me doing work, and I'll probably go outside to get dinner with my friends later on in the day, so you'll see me venturing into the snow. But I don't think I'll be talking that much because I will be doing work. But enjoy study montage, a productivity day, even though I'm not really that productive on my day-to-day life. But anyways.
you for this. This is why I'm not in STEM.
I got that. Good morning, everyone. It is the 30th of January and it is my friend Emily's birthday. You guys will see her today because today we're going out to brunch for her birthday, and I'm 21 so I can enjoy mimosas as well as like the majority of our group. So it's gonna be a fun time. It's gonna be a great time. I think she said she wanted to leave here by 10:45. It is currently 9:11. So I'm gonna do my makeup. I have no idea what makeup I want to do. If I'm being quite honest with you, I think I'm just gonna wing it like how I usually do. But first I'm gonna do like my edges. The edge control that I use is Edge Booster. And I have the lemon scent. I almost said flavor. The lemon scent. If you have 4C or just type 4 hair in general, this is good edge control. It actually holds on my edges, surprisingly. So yeah, enjoy a montage of me just existing and doing my, like, getting ready for my friend's 21st birthday party.
I don't usually cry.
By the way, here's an update on outside. They've cleared the road behind my suite, but it's a back road, so hopefully the main roads are actually clear because we're taking the bus. So
The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view.
My number one supporter.